A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know how them say, madness are when you keep on do the same thing, but I expect something different to happen. I wonder what would happen if we listen to Jesus when he said, no, not do it that way, do it that way there. Or no, not do it over here, so do it over there, so. I wonder what would happen. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop a comment below and share it with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, no, it's a good time. If you click the subscribe button and the notification bell, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John, chapter 21, from verse 1 to verse 14. After this year, Jesus showed himself to him follower them one more time. That time, him do it at the Tiberias Sea. This our Simon Peter, Thomas, we then call Didymus, Nathaniel, we come from Cana in Galilee, Zebedee boy picnic them, and two of Jesus other follower them did they together. "Man catch fish," Simon Peter said to them. So they answer him say, "We are come with you." Them go in a boat, but that night they no catch a thing. Early in the morning, Jesus did a turn up at the seaside, but him follower them nice to say him. Him call out to them and say, "Brethren, we don't have no fish." No, them answer. So him tell them say, "Fling over on the net on the right hand side of the boat and we will find some." So them do that. And then couldn't pull up back the net. See the whole heap of fish where they catch with it. Then the follower where Jesus did love tell Peter, say, "Ah, the Lord." Said time Simon Peter hear that day. He wrapped the little clothes when he did have on around him. Because he didn't have on nothing under it. And he jump in the water. The other follower them follow back at Peter. Them did all in the net full of fish. Because they far from shore. On about 100 yards. When them reach in, they see coal fire with fish and bread upon it. Jesus said to them, say, "Carry some of my fish when you catch come." Simon Peter climbed in a boat and all in the net. It did full of big fish, 153 of them. But with all the amount of fish there, the net name bust up. "Come yam breakfast," Jesus said to them. But none of them named bare face enough to ask who him. Because then they know, said the Lord. So Jesus come, take the bread and give them. And him do the same thing with the fish. Now, that make 3 times Jesus show himself to him follower them after he come back alive. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.